Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be discussing what to do after you've decided that you want to go ahead and host your first workshop. If you haven't met me yet, my name is Petra. I am the founder of Collab Events. I'm an event manager, business strategist, and I specialize in teaching entrepreneurs, businesses, and influencers how to host successful and profitable events. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you want to learn more about hosting your own strategic events, consider subscribing. Okay, let's say that you've committed, you've decided you want to go ahead and host your first workshop. The natural next question for many is, where do I start? The first thing I do when I work with my clients is to get really clear on the destination, or you can call it your event goal. I find that 99% of all events' overall purpose is looking at the big picture and to serve and provide some sort of value. There's so many ways of serving. It can be educational, inspirational, entertaining, and so on. But the important part here is understanding when we come from a place of serving, we'll generally do better. We do better because we take away the pressure of achieving a specific result. We tend not to attach too much meaning to the actual outcome, and if we could serve one person, then that is a success. In saying that, we still need to set a destination. Because for example, if you jump in your car and you don't decide on a final destination, you'll most likely just drive around aimlessly and waste a lot of petrol and probably end up pretty frustrated. However, if you set your destination to be the beach, then it's easier to work out how to get there. So my first question to you is, what is it that you want to get out of this workshop? And please be specific here. For example, I want to use my workshop as a funnel leading people into working one-on-one with me. Now, after you've hosted your event, you can go back to this goal and say, did I achieve this? But was it specific enough? Would you be happy if only one person signed up? Or do you have a specific number in mind? So we can be even more specific here. I would like to convert 15% of my event attendees into one-on-one clients. To give you a rough idea, industry average when it comes to conversion rates is between 20 and 30%. But I think here it's important to go back and just remind you that although we set these targets, it's still important not to attach meaning to it. If you convert 5%, it doesn't mean that you're not doing a good job or that you have no idea what you're doing. However, it will leave clues and lessons that you can learn from to get closer to your goals next time. If you need to pause this video now to have a little think and start writing down your goals, please do so. As my mentor says, don't just go through emotions. It's easy to get stuck in watching videos and then not actually taking actions. Stop now and do the work. The next question I would like you to answer is, who is this event for? I'm sure you've heard about target markets, ideal clients, and customer avatars before. Knowing who is going to attend your event will help you create your concept, your messaging, and absolutely everything else. I love the quote, if you try to attract everyone, you will attract no one. If you nail this part, you will find that your attendees leaves your event thinking, wow, that workshop was exactly what I needed. And if I'm talking too fast, don't worry, I've posted all of the questions in the description below. The final question is, what will your attendees achieve or get out of attending your workshop? Knowing that all of your attendees will always attend your event for a reason. Whether it is connecting with new people, learning something new, or to be entertained. There is something there they want to achieve, a need that they want to get met. Trust me, they won't attend your event because of the food or the goodie bags or any other features. These come into play more so during the event itself, and that's something we'll discuss in future videos. All right, so if you have any questions at all, please make sure you comment below. I will see you in the next video.